Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Hyundai iLoad van, stock reference number 4308. This shape runs from the 11th month 2007 and is the current shape. It has a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left front and side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, right hand halogen headlight, left hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage, apart from one dent up the top edge, as you can see marked out. Right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right hand sliding door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror in black, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Driver's seat is a bit dirty and has a small rip. Passenger seat is also dirty, requires a good clean. Gear shifter, automatic, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.